Hey, what's going on, CFS crew? My name's Kyle. I just wanted to reach out and make you a video that can bring you and your business some value. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can personally optimize your website to where you can drive in traffic and generate more leads for your business. So I do have 3 tips I want to share with you today. My first tip is the importance of content and keywords. Now, Google doesn't care about how awesome websites look. They care about what kind of content's on the page. And Google, they want to see a lot of content. And the websites that have the most content, they're going to be the ones that have the authority on the topic. So I do recommend that you have at least 1,500 words of content on your home page. And the most important reason to have that much content on your home page is because you need to have buyer intent keywords inside your content. So when Google goes and scans through your page, they can find these keywords and they can rank you accordingly in the Google search engine. So we use this tool here called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool and it buys data from Google. And one of the features, it allows us to search for buyer intent keywords. So I just looked up keywords in the Gilbert area for some of the flooring that you do. So you have Gilbert flooring that's being searched 150 times a month. You have flooring, Gilbert, Arizona. You have your hardwood flooring, vinyl flooring. I'm not sure if you do epoxy. I didn't really see any epoxy among your website. You have luxury vinyl plank flooring. You also have your tile keywords, Gilbert Tile, tile cleaning, tile remover. So there's all sorts of buyer intent keywords that you can put inside your content that you can be found for. I mean, you'll find keywords for all your services that you provide and your service areas as well. Now, my second tip for you is backlinks, and backlinks are just as important as your content and keywords. Backlinks is what gives your website power, and it's what drives your website to the top of the organic section in Google. Backlinks are links throughout the web that when clicked on brings the user back to your website. It's almost like having a popularity contest and the person with the most backlinks wins. However, Google is now leaning more towards quality versus quantity. So they want to see backlinks that are relevant to you. So they want to see backlinks coming from other flooring websites or home improvement websites that have links linking people back to your website. Now, Ahrefs also lets us see what's going on behind the scenes of websites, and I do want to mention there are free tools for backlinks and keywords. So if you just Google backlink checker or keyword finder, you can find the free tools you need to do this yourself. So right now, CFS Installations has a URL rating of 13. That's how powerful the site is. A domain rating of 6. That's how trustworthy the site is. It tells us how many people are coming onto the website each month through an organic search. You have 5 buyer intent keywords throughout your website, and you have 21 referring domains giving you a total of 76 backlinks. These backlinks here is what's giving your website your power and your trust. You want these 2 numbers as high as possible, and you want them as close together as possible as well. You want to shoot for a ratio of 1. So I pulled out the Google search bar and I just looked up flooring in Gilbert, and this is Abel Floors. He's in the #1 spot in the organic section, so I looked up his numbers on what he's doing. So they have a URL of 23, the power, domain rating of 1.4, the trust. They have over 60 people coming onto the website each month through an organic search. They're being found for 367 keywords. They have 61 referring domains, giving them a total of 768 backlinks. And this traffic is only coming from Gilbert. This doesn't count Chandler, Mesa, Phoenix, Scottsdale, all the other areas as well. So if these backlinks here are good enough to rank their website to the top of the organic section in Gilbert, it's good enough to do the same for your website as well. In fact, this is something you could do with all of your top competitors. You can get all their backlinks and you can get them linking back to you. If you just go to the referring domains, each and every one of these websites has a link linking people back to Abel Floors. You can do the same with yours. You just have to go into each individual site. Some you just might have to create a profile and you can add your website that way. Others, you might have to go to the contact us, email the owner, and they might hit you back with a small fee to be able to advertise on their website. And my third tip is get to the #1 spot in the Google Map Pack. That's this area here. It's one of the best spots to be in. 40% of the searches done on Google click in this Google Map Pack there. 30% click in the #1 spot in the organic section. But how can you take this top spot here in the Map Pack? You need more citations than your competition has. And all a citation is your business name, your business address, and your business phone number listed in directories throughout the web. Some examples of a directory would be places like Yelp, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau. Even social media is considered a directory nowadays. So I hope this video is helpful for you today. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to reach out. We are located in Scottsdale. Other than that, thank you for watching and you have an awesome day.